Litecoin saw a significant surge, with its price jumping 15% as the US Securities and Exchange Commission moved closer to a decision on the potential approval of the Canary Litecoin ETF. The SEC has now opened the floor for public comments on the proposal, signaling a key step forward in the approval process. Litecoin, which operates on a peer-to-peer network, is often compared to Bitcoin due to its similar structure. This potential ETF approval further solidifies a Litecoin's place in the growing cryptocurrency market, as it could open the door to a wider adoption and investment opportunities. In a notable comment, Eric Balchunas, a senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg, pointed out that this 19B4 filing represents the first acknowledgement of an altcoin ETF by the SEC, marking a significant milestone in the cryptocurrency space. Litecoin, created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, is known as the silver to Bitcoin's gold due to its faster transactions and lower fees. With a block time of 2.5 minutes, it ensures quicker processing. Valued at over $9.5 billion, Litecoin remains a top 20 cryptocurrency driven by its 84 million coin supply cap. Its practical use cases span payments, remittances, and merchant adoption. While institutional interest is lower than Bitcoin and Ethereum, Litecoin's reliability keeps it relevant. Its long-term viability depends on continuous innovation and adaptability in the evolving crypto market. Litecoin has gained widespread acceptance across various industries, solidifying its position as a widely adopted cryptocurrency. In the travel and leisure sector, platforms like Travella and airlines such as Air Baltic enable users to book hotels, flights, and experience using Litecoin. The entertainment industry has also embraced LTC, with AMC theaters accepting it for movie ticket purchases. In real estate, Remax allows property transactions in Litecoin, offering crypto investors new opportunities. Retail services such as e-gifter and Sheets provide customers the ability to purchase gift cards and make in-store payments using Litecoin. Litecoin is also actively traded on major exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, ensuring high liquidity. Payment processors such as BitPay, CoinGate, and Now Payments further facilitate merchant adoption, allowing seamless LTC transactions. These widespread acceptance highlights a Litecoin's growing relevance as a fast and efficient payment method in the global digital economy. That's all in today's segment. We will keep you updated with more such interesting updates. Until then, keep watching 3.0 Do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do log on to the website www.3voicetv.io. Scan the QR code to know more.